when we're working with two categorical variables, StatKey has one kind of chart, one kind of visualization it's going to give us. If we pop over to two categorical variables, we'll see that StatKey creates what's called a stacked bar chart. So what we see here, in contrast to a bar chart in one variable, this is trying to show us the relationship between two categorical variables. So here we're looking at one of the built-in data sets just because it was already there. This is whether people believe in there's one true love, either they agree, disagree, or don't know, based on whether the respondents were male or female. Okay, so overall, we can see that there were more females in the data set than males. We can see that represented by the relative heights of these two bars if we kind of ignore the different colors. But what are the colors doing? The colors are trying to tell us within each group, so within the males, within the females, how many people agreed or disagreed or don't know. So as we highlight the rows and columns, we can see what's happening over here. So StatKey is really nice. If we just hover our mouse over there, we can see what's happening. And kind of vice versa, as we hover over the bar chart, our stacked bar chart, we're seeing things highlight over there on the top right. You can also hit Show Legend, which will give us a little bit more information about which color is which. But we do have one option here. So here we've seen a stacked bar chart where first we split people into male and female, and then within each bar, what they think about one true love. This button over here at the top right, next to this counts table, switch variables, will first break people down into whether they agreed, disagreed, or don't know, and then within that break down whether they're male and female. So it's the same data, and the size of each bar is going to be the same, but the arrangement is a little bit different. And sometimes, depending on the problem, it might be a little bit easier to visualize some kind of difference using one or the other. It's a little bit subjective. There's not really a wrong or right answer here. Just sometimes it's a little bit easier to see. So hopefully that sets you up for working with two categorical variables.